Why is georeferencing important in GIS? Imagine trying to put together a giant puzzle without knowing where the pieces fit. That's what working with maps or images without georeferencing is like. It's a way to connect digital maps or satellite images to real-world locations using specific coordinates like latitude and longitude. This process is key in Geographic Information Systems, which help us analyze and understand spatial data. When you georeference an image, you assign real-world points to specific spots on the map. Think of it as placing pins on a map to mark important places. These pins act as anchors, helping the image align perfectly with the actual geography. This makes it possible to measure distances accurately, find out the size of areas, or compare old maps with current satellite pictures. For example, students can see how a city has grown by comparing historical maps with recent images that are all aligned through georeferencing. Georeferencing also makes it easier to combine different types of data. You might have aerial photos, GPS locations, or digital maps from different sources. When everything is georeferenced, all these data sets can be layered on top of each other in the GIS software. This helps in making better decisions, like where to build new parks or how to monitor environmental changes over time. In classrooms, georeferencing makes geography more fun and hands-on. Students can explore real locations, measure distances between landmarks, or see how landscapes change over years. Using tools that georeference images helps students connect what they learn in class with real-world places. They can even compare old and new maps to see how a neighborhood or natural area has changed. The process of georeferencing involves identifying known locations called ground control points on the image and on a map with known coordinates. These points help the software align the image correctly. Once aligned, the image fits into the coordinate system used by the GIS. This accuracy is important because it ensures that all spatial data is reliable and can be used for analysis. In summary, georeferencing is essential because it turns simple images and maps into precise geographic data. This accuracy allows for meaningful analysis, comparisons over time, and interactive learning experiences. It helps students see the real-world relevance of geography and understand how different places are connected. Without georeferencing, maps and images would be just pictures, not useful tools for understanding our world.